Hello, 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 everyone. Happy Thursday. Welcome. This is part 3. I am keeping my word and I'm not touching this off camera. And that's hard. It's really hard. I probably would have finished this by now. But we're doing this together. We're having a lot of fun. And so it's worth it all. But we're on part 3. We're probably going to need a part 4. And the part 5, I guess, will be the reveal. So it's just amazing to me how when you work like that and you don't work off camera, catching up. So good news. I heard from Joyce. Her daughter Jen is coming home on the 12th. That is my mother's birthday. Beautiful, beautiful day. So she is out of the hospital and coming home. Her daughter will be so happy. And Joyce and her husband are so happy just in time for the holidays. So guys, there's a lot of good out there. Even though a lot of us go through a lot of stuff to get there, it's out there. So everybody, please welcome Jen back home. All right, you see I have some die cuts here because I wasn't sure how far we were going to get. And I did do what I said I was going to do yesterday, and that was to add, we did this together, this double pocket, and then we left off, I think, right here in the center. And I went ahead and I said I was going to do this. Get rid of the Halloween skulls by covering them up. And if you look close, there's a little skull. There's a little skull. I love that. I can't tell you why, but I do. It's cool. But when you first look at it, you don't notice that. So let's go back. We were here. Double pockets. And we had a belly band. Okay, so do we have a side pocket? I don't think we do. There's a pocket. We had a tuck. Okay, corner, double pocket. This was a tuck. Okay, so this is absolutely gorgeous, but I'm not a big fan. We have to do something with that. Not a big fan with this either. So I think, though, I'm going to skip ahead just a little bit. This is beautiful. We're not going to cover that up. Let's see, because I kind of have something in mind. Let me see. I went and I pulled a couple pages of, I wanted to find some more fall. I don't have a lot, believe it or not. I'm going to try to remember that for next year. I've got a lot of, Dana gave me a lot of paper, and she does a lot with Bo Bunny, or she used to do a lot with Bo Bunny. Look at this. Isn't this pretty? I found this. This is Graphic 45. This is an oldie, guys. That I can't even remember. Here's Photo Play. Don't like that side at all, but this is perfect. So I'm wondering on here, I was thinking of a pocket, but a flip up, and I think this paper might work for what is in my head. So let's see. Let's come down on that green. I am going to cut that. Ugh, got that light right on me, right in my eyes. And I've got belladonna eyes, so the light is bad. I've been that way my whole life. I always have to wear sunglasses because my pupils don't dilate like they should. And so it's very bright for me. And I know growing up I was always squinting. And yeah, I mean, that is what it is. And optometrist told me, says, we call those belladonna eyes because you look like you're on drugs. Like, oh, that's wonderful. That's just wonderful. So how high do we want this, maybe? maybe it's got to be worth something to the real estate, and you'll see what I mean in just a second. And now I'm like, where's a ruler? I'm trying to work on my Shabby Dabby Doodah design team project. Don't want to reveal that. So we need it. We need to cut this at 6, and then we need to score this at 3. So I kind of don't like doing this. I feel like it's a little bit waste of card, but it's going to be okay. Okay, so there's our 6, correct? This is our 6. Come on, Charlotte, think. So we're going to score it this way. You'd be surprised how many times I get myself in trouble. This, and we're scoring it this way. We're going to score this at 3. I know y'all are probably thinking, what are you doing? But you'll get it in just a second. Okay. Get this out of the way. And we're going to fold this way. Just like this. I'm going to burnish this. So what I was thinking I wanted to do was have this be a pocket, but also let this flip up. And I just didn't think about all those colors. Do we care, guys? I mean, one of you is going to win this. Do you care that we've got these really bright colors? And then what I wanted to do was put a couple pages of coffee dyed paper in here so that you've got a little bit to play with. And I wasn't going to make it a book per se. I just wanted to use some pages so that if you wanted to jot down some notes or, sorry, I'm just looking for some other pages to use. If you wanted to jot down some notes, you could. And, yeah. So I think maybe 4 pages would be enough. So let's see. I'm trying to be mindful of where the camera is, but I don't want it to be thick to where it becomes an issue. So there's 2. Here would be 4. So basically what we're going to do is, I think we're going to have to do this, Charlotte, or how are you going to get them in there? Yeah, like that. And then put these here. I think so. I think that's going to, now let's see if I can tear this without this being some great big issue. Yay. Okay, now, all right, we did that. So how are we going to keep these in there? What are you going to do to be able to? I'm kind of coming up with another idea as I'm looking at this. One that makes a little bit more sense. Okay, so on to a different game plan. So, all right, same idea, but we're going to make it easier on ourselves. And, oh, yeah, you did. No, but you really didn't, Charlotte. You didn't make it easier on yourself. So, I need tear school. All right. So let's try this again. Shouldn't be difficult. But look at this. It's the coffee dyed paper. Sometimes it's got like a sugar residue, and it will do that every time. So we're going to cut this, and then we're going to attach our pages this way. This is going to make sense. So instead of flipping up, you're going to flip out and over. And that just makes, I think, more sense. Hopefully y'all can understand, but you'll see it in a second. Get my stapler. So we're going to staple these. So instead of flipping up, you're going to flip out this way. Yeah. And now that I'm saying that, I'm thinking, am I going to have trouble adhering this down because you've got a staple? I don't think so. We're using the tiny attacher. They're so small. I think that'll be okay. And I'm only going to do the one. So, okay, here's going to be a pocket. Just like that. There's a pocket. This will flip up. Yes, I am thinking. Okay, let's just do it. Let's do it. I'm going to have to hold this, I know, for just a minute to get this glue to adhere. And then we're going to use a paper clip to keep it closed. So hopefully y'all are okay with that idea. Something different. And then we're going to need, and I don't think a baby paper clip is going to do it because there's a thickness to it. So we need, ooh, peachy color. That'll work. So then what you have is your pocket back here, and you can lift this up, and you've got pages so that if you want to go ahead and journal on that, you can. You don't have to. And then this will keep it closed. And then if we want, we can hang a charm off of here. So that's kind of cute. Don't you think that's kind of cute? And then, of course, we have this eyesore, so we have to do something with that. But, you know, you can see I have some die cuts out because I thought maybe, just maybe, we would, let's see what we've got over here in my scraps. Excuse me. How's everybody? Are you good? I kind of like that because you've got the green. Are you good today? Is everybody doing well? Now I'm going to do something that I normally don't care to do. My little sidekick, they are 2.5 inches wide, and I think this is 3, and it is. So I'm going to lose 1/2 inch. So let's see here before that might be too, I kind of like this filigree looking. All right, let's cut this. We're gonna have to, if we're gonna use it, Charlotte, you have to cut it because it will not go through the machine the way that it is. And it may be okay because I have some tendrils to do for the pumpkins. So, no, we're gonna do it this way. We'll get more real estate this way, girlfriend. 2.5. And I think I can use this for the tendrils. Hopefully that will work. I was playing with this yesterday. I know y'all can't see because this mat's not even. I don't think it's even. It doesn't do everything I want it to do. Let's get the most out of this that we can. So let's do this one. And hopefully this isn't going to give me a bunch of trouble. So we're going to die cut this. Yep, we're die cutting today, guys. It's not something I typically do. And I see, okay, that worked. If my little holes are all going to punch out, that's going to be perfect. I think maybe we should do another. Let's see. Let's do this. Let me do this. Yep. Let's do this one. I have trouble sometimes if my paper's thick. It doesn't like it. See what I mean? I don't have suction. Okay, Beverly, you're probably laughing. I found my little Matchbox dies because they were over here buried, and I remembered I was going to send everybody Matchbox dies, and I didn't do it because I forgot about them. So I've got them right here where I can see them. Oh, well, that's good. Let's see, did everything punch out of here? It did. Look at that. Isn't that pretty? Nope, there's one here, it looks like. Yep, there we go. So yeah, I'm going to be making a mess. But let's see if we can get... This is what takes a lot of time. I know there's a brush. Dana had given me a brush where you put this on a piece of foam and then you put these bristles through and they all come out. But to keep track of all that stuff, guys, it's too much for me. I just can't. I put stuff somewhere and then I don't know where I put it. So just to have a pen works for me. So don't be telling me in the comments, oh, Charlotte, there's a tool. Yes, I know there's a tool. But sometimes there's too many tools. And to be honest with you, I kind of like poking holes in this. I really do. I kind of like to take the pen and poke this out. Oh, it's a sickness. Did I get them all? Y'all are probably seeing some. Sizzix are these dies, in case anybody's wondering. But I keep them in a folder, and so I don't have their little SKU numbers. Pretty sure both of these sets are Tim Holtz. But if you just did a search, they'd show up. Okay, I think we're good. We have our little mess here. But that's okay. I like a mess. All right. Okay, so what are we going to do with these? I don't know. Let's see. Now that I cut them out, do I even like them for what I was going to do? What I was thinking I wanted to do. Do I like them for that? Let's check it out. Yes, so far I do. I may not like the combination. I don't like that. It's too even. We put that there. Or, you know what I'm thinking we need is, oh, Charlotte, you don't like that. But I do like that. So I wonder if, I mean, guys, this is just what you have to do. You got to just play around with this stuff until you get what you want. Now, this little piece, is there a leaf that might, well, this, no, but this might, this will. So what side do I want? I think I want this darker. Okay, am I like talking to myself? I'm sorry. Let's do this, and then I think we need a pumpkin. I know everybody likes a pumpkin. It's fall. What's not to like? Okay. Let's see how this did. Get my pen. Oh, here we go. Sizzix. Well, if you could read it. I can't read that. All right, let's see if we can do something with this. All right. This is why journals take so long, guys, to create. You just can't whip it up. All right. No, you can't even see that. I could. I think even if I were to, oh, maybe, let's see, this might work. Let's see. Well, it's a little bit better, but you know what? That by itself, I don't like it. But I'm wondering if if we put a pumpkin. What do y'all think? Pumpkin. Nope. What do we have here? Hold on, guys. Oh, there, I touched my light, and my light did something. That might work. All right, let me cut a piece of this, 2.5 inches. This is a wacky video. This is a video unlike the way I do videos. And I apologize, because it's wacky. Y'all might be enjoying it, though. So let's do this and see. I kind of could just go on and say, hey, this falls under the guise of decorating, and we're not even together yet, so we shouldn't be decorating. But we are. Textured paper, which I love. Having dinner tomorrow with Dana. Don't know where we're going. She's going to get off work early, so tomorrow, I haven't seen her in a month. Crazy. Okay. Oh. All right. Hopefully this came out. I feel like we're spending a lot of time doing this. That's not really what I wanted to do. Let's just get this one in and done and see where we're at. Gotta have a pen. Okay. Trash. Trash. Now pop her out. Come on. You want to come out, you know you do. You want to show yourself. Look at how beautiful you are. You're so pretty. All right, let's take this off. Well, maybe not. Let's put this over here. Just like that. Makes more sense. All right, guys. Now, Because we have a pocket here, I'm not really worried about transforming this into what could be some little tucks, because that is an idea. And this does not have to be centered. That ain't gonna work. Charlotte, what are you doing? Ooh, but it's pretty, isn't it? Isn't that pretty? I think I like that. Ooh, what do y'all think? I think I like that, but you know what? I think I want more color on this. So this will be the first one to go down right here. So let's see if we can just, if I wanted to get out all the embossing stuff, that would be, I could get some color on here, because I'm not liking, it's too, probably what I should do is get out the walnut. This is a vintage photo. Okay, let's see what this does. That's better, right? Should I just put it down? I can hear y'all saying, Charlotte, just do it. Okay, get the glue, Charlotte, just do it. Well, guys, I'm doing it for you. I want it to be really cute. I want whoever gets this to love it. Oh, Sherry, your Halloween journal's in the mail. It is. And thank you to the person that bought the last envelope set in my shop. It is in the mail. And I have one index card sitting here. I'm sorry about that. Sherry Liberto, your envelope is in the mail. So, yeah. I appreciate it, you guys, when you buy me a coffee, because it really helps me with the postage. Y'all are so nice. How about that? And then we'll worry about the pumpkin. Let's do it. So, yes, much, much appreciated. All your support in my shop, for my channel. Welcome, welcome to the new people. We have some new people. New subscribers. I hope you love what we do here. We can be a bit wonky and funny, but we support each other. And so, oh, I don't think that's right. I think I want it maybe like this. Okay, and then we've got this beauty, and I really, really kind of, that's cute, guys, don't you think? Okay. All right, then. Beautiful, beautiful colored cardstock. This is perfect for a pumpkin. And then we'll move on to the next page, because we kind of got off track here, decorating this little flip-up pocket. When you want to get into, yeah, just like that. Oh, should we do tendrils? We should do tendrils and leaves. I mean, we should. It's going to take some time, but we're here. What do y'all think? We should, shouldn't we? I think we should, so that when we leave this page, we can say, sorry, I just reminded myself that I need to speak up, so that when we leave this page, we can say, it's done. So yeah, let's just do a couple. Let's see, tendrils and leaves. So tendrils, that's not going to work unless I take that apart. Will this work? Maybe, maybe not. Here's a tendril. I know this is probably so boring to watch me do this. Let's see what we get. But, you know, this is what I go through when I'm doing this. This is what I do. Except I'm running all around the room trying to find stuff. Okay. It is a wacky world today. Okay, so we got that. We have one more little piece. If I were to take this apart, you can see where this kind of comes apart. It's supposed to come apart. All these tiny little pieces can drive you nuts. 3 tendrils. It's an odd number, and I'm happy with that. So we're going to have 3 tendrils, and we're going to have leaves. So there's a tendril. That's garbage. We're not going to worry about that tendril. We're going to have, we need leaves. Whether we want leaves or not, we need to have them. So there's 2 leaves. I think we'll be good with 2. And I won't put you through any more of this video. That's enough. Okay. You guys have been troopers. Thank you. Okay. So much for this nastiness. Okay. Now, we need our pen. You can see when you get die cuts, you have to really appreciate the time it took that somebody sat there on their machine with their little pieces of paper and did die cuts. I really would like to do way more die cuts than I do, but they just take so long to do. Look at the little cutie patootie there. And this little cutie patootie. Look at that. I mean, all these little things bring your die cut to life. Look at that. Okay, so now we may only get this page done today. That would be sad. Okay, so here's a leaf. Just a tiny little bit of ink. I'll put that leaf right there like that. Okay, hopefully y'all can see this. You're probably distracted because I've got quite the mess on my table. Quite the mess today. See, it makes a difference. And then these little guys, these are everything. Look at that. I mean, yeah, it does make a difference. Somebody's out mowing their lawn. It sounds so nice. Okay, so I'm going to put that right there. Like that. And then we're going to grab this little guy. I think we're going to put him like that. I'm like ready for a snack. Now I'm thinking about food. Go figure that. Okay, we have that, and you know I like to work in 3s. I don't think I'm going to use this guy, but this tendril. Do we need him? Sometimes you can have too much of a good thing. Yeah, that doesn't look good. Come on, Charlotte. Nope, I don't like that. Yeah, we'll put him there. Okay. And then we're going to turn the page and move on. Okay. Tendril. Let's go. How did I have him? Like that, maybe? Well, he's like that now. Oh, isn't that cute? So here's your pocket. And I'll come back and I'll just cut this off. I don't like that hanging down like that. But that looks pretty cute. What do y'all think? That's a cute page for a fall book. Then we have this page here. Let me think. I really want to incorporate this. That's pretty. This would be pretty here. So what do we want? I think I might make a pocket going this way. Graphic 45. Okay, let us cut you down to 2.5. Is that too big? 2, maybe 2 is better. We'll do 2. And this is a 6. So I'm going to take a chance and I'm going to do a 2 by like 5 and an 1/8 shot. No, let's just go ahead and go the 6. See what happens. Let's do it. And then we'll put this like this. And then we'll have, yep. Just a simple pocket. And this is a giveaway, so we shall see how much ephemera we make. We may not make much ephemera at all, and then you can, whoever wins this, can come in and do your own ephemera. I will give you the base, and then you can come and do your thing. So we'll see how much time we have. That's kind of what I did with the Halloween journal. I did put some tags and things in it, and I sent it off with some die cuts, but you make that journal your own. And I think that's fair. Okay, so you go from there, which is just cute. This is really annoying me, to there, and we can have something nice in here, or you can put something nice in there. Journal page, and then we come to this. This definitely needs, I am not going to cover this up, so this is going to stay this way, but you can always put tags or whatever on here. This, I love this. I'm not going to cover that up either, so we do need something here. So I don't want to go, that is pretty, but I could do a belly band that matches this. What do y'all think? Is it too much? I don't think so. I think that might be really cute, especially, or I could, that's cute too, the back side. If I did that, ooh, I think I will. I think I'll do that. Okay. We'll put a belly band there. We're going to cut this down. I can't figure out what this design is. Almost looks like screws, but I can't, it doesn't match. This is so pretty, I hate to turn it over, but I think this is pretty. And then we will, yeah, let's do that. And then we'll put a pumpkin on here. But when we come to decorate, I think I'm going to emboss the pumpkin with either wax or embossing powder. Because as much as I like the pumpkin, it's flat. See, like we could easily put, oh, it is just cute. But I think it would be so much cuter if we, if they were embossed and not like that. Yeah, we'll emboss pumpkins. But that's good. So you go from there to there. Not touching that, not touching this. It's too pretty. This definitely needs, how about a corner pocket? Would a corner pocket be so cute? What else do I have over here? Oh, there I go with my light again. That would be pretty. We have a piece of that already, but that is pretty, pretty, pretty. How about a little Tim Holtz? That's pretty. What do y'all think of that? Let's do it. Let's see. Okay. Let's see what we're going to do. Let's just cut this way. Cut this off. Let's even this out that way. And then let's do this. Let's see if we like it. Okay. This out of the way. I hope everybody's doing well. I hope you're working on something really fun. Ooh, well that got sliced. That's not gonna work, but I could tape that and it would be okay. We could, let's do it. It will be all right. It's not going to go anywhere. And then cut this off. We'll be good. Just like that. Yeah. And then I think, and then just to see if we wanted to thread in one of these, just to see for decoration. Look at that. I think that's good. Yeah. Yeah, that was a good idea. Okay. We're going to do that. We're going to do that. Let's get the white off of here. Don't want the white. I think we've probably already been on almost 45 minutes. Okay, let's do that. So we're going to come down here, add our glue, and our tape's okay. And then we're going to have to cut the top off, I'm sure. So I'm going to put this like this so I can see it, because it's dark. Can't see where my paper is. So we're going to do that. I'm going to cut this tip off. So what I did is I cut that tip off. And I wonder, you know, I got this at Hobby Lobby. It's a, like a cupcake pick. And then you just take and kind of press that crease out. Oh, sorry guys, that was the doorbell. And I wonder, I don't know about that, but I do like this. So that's going to go in there for sure. I'm going to put that there. And we definitely need to tone down this with something. So what's the something gonna be? Well, the something could be that. That's pretty. Or could be this. Did we do that already? Because I don't want to repeat. Where's the other side of that? Here you are. No. Okay. What should we do? This we can go end to end. This we can't. So I might put that in the center. We're going to go end to end on this. And then I think I'm going to say goodbye, and we're still not done. Simply because this is long enough. So I'm cutting this at 3, and I'm going to go 6. No, it's not 6, Charlotte. It's 6 high, but right here at this 4, we're going to cut this. We're going to come in here. Okay, guys. Yeah, I think this was a good idea. We're going to do this. I'm going to take just a tiny bit. That may have been my Angel Dream Crafts Kim Lace package. Which means I may have to go to the post office tomorrow and pick it up. Just might have to. What do y'all think? I think so. And then we will do something with the bottom. We will decorate this with something. We've got some little wax seals. Okay, here's going to be a cute pocket. Yeah, I think because of time, I've got to go through all of my Halloween stuff and get it put away. And in that, I've got some fall. So if I can find some tags and things to go in here, then I will add them. But otherwise, you may be on your own to fill this little journal up. But, I mean, I wouldn't mind filling her up. let's see. Just to get an idea. I'm bound and determined to use this, but there's no green on here, and I don't like that. We'll do something. Something. I wish I had a bigger wax seal. Oh, this definitely needs some kind of wax seal on it, doesn't it? Because that's really pretty. The colors are spot on. So we're going to have to do something. I think when I turn the camera off, I am going to be... Oh, yeah, I think I'm going to play around a little bit more. All right, guys, I think we've probably been more than 45 minutes. We have to figure something out for this beautiful piece right here. And man, look at that. Oh, I hope y'all like this. She's cute. But we do need to do something here because this, it's too much. These pages right here need help, and this needs something. So, yeah, we may end up with a part 5. The rate we're going, but guys, here it is. I hope you like it. Thanks so much for hanging out with me. 51 minutes together. All right. Big hugs. Bye, guys.